What's going on? Mr. Allen here. We're about to math. The ratio of corresponding sides of two similar triangles are 4 to 7. What is the ratio of their perimeters and what about their areas? How about I draw a couple of triangles here to start? So I would have a little triangle there. We'll call this, a 4. And then I'm going to go with the bigger one being my 7 here. So we'll call that guy 7. So for my perimeters here, how do I find perimeter? I find perimeter by adding up all my sides. And if two corresponding sides are 4 to 7, then all of my corresponding sides are going to be 4 to 7 if these two are indeed similar triangles, right? If they're similar triangles, the sides are proportional in that 4 to 7 ratio. So if I add all my sides up and all of my sides are in the ratio of 4 to 7, then my perimeter, the perimeter here, perimeter, is going to be 4 to 7 as well. Okay, that's just perimeter though. What about my area? Well, my area is calculated by multiplying base times height divided by 2, right? I'm multiplying two dimensions together. So if I'm multiplying my two dimensions together and all of my sides are in the ratio of 4 to 7, which would then include my heights of the triangles, whichever base I'm going to be in the ratio of 4 to 7. If I'm multiplying those two things together, 4 to 7 and 4 to 7, or in other words, 4 over 7 squared, right? Multiplying by itself is squared. And the way I like to remember this is that area, the units are squared, then my ratio is going to be 16 to 49 for the ratio of the areas. It's a little hard to see in like a weird triangle like this. If you did with some more basic ones, you could see it, but it still applies here for my perimeter. The ratio of the perimeters is always the same as the ratio of the corresponding sides. And then the ratio of my areas is always the ratio of those corresponding sides squared. All right. Jot that down in your notes. Keep that in the back of your mind. Never know when that kind of question is going to pop up.